What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a realistic book cover in Photoshop. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this particular template and thousands of additional add-ins, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. After extracting the files, open the Photoshop file in the folder. This template file provides you with multiple book cover design templates to explore. For this tutorial, we will customize the first file. Once the file is open in Photoshop, you'll have an almost completed book cover. However, we can further customize the design of the book and the items in the picture. To begin, look at the Layers section at the bottom right of the interface. Open the folder named Book. Inside, you'll find 4 smart object layers, each customizing different aspects of the objects in the scene. Let's start with the first one. Double-click to open it. You'll notice that the logo can't be simply deleted. So we'll create a rectangle using the Rectangle tool in the toolbar. Drag the area to cover the existing logo. Next, match the color of the book with the rectangle we just created. Click on the Color Fill option in the ribbon at the top of the window. Then, click on the icon to pick up the color from the book, and the logo will be hidden. Now, drag and drop your logo from the Explorer and adjust it to your preference. You can do the same with other layers or objects. Make sure you're using a file with a transparent background, for example in PNG format. Finally, save your edited version of the layer and return to the last tab with the final product. You now have a preview of your freshly designed cover for your book. Once you're happy with the changes, it's time to save your project. Head to File in the toolbar and select Save a Copy. Next, rename the file and change the file type to PNG if you're exporting an image with a transparent background, or JPEG if you kept the background. And there you have it. You've successfully created a realistic book cover in Photoshop. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.